Okay, so what we are doing here in this lovely town today, Dinuba, California, is we are spraying SWD 108 YM open cell foam into the wall cavities for a full cavity fill. We've already previously come in here and done the subfloor in this house when it was raised up in the air. This will make this house just like a Yeti, I guess you could say. It will be cooled 100% better than anything else around here. And then we are putting 10 inches of 108 YM open cell SWD foam in the lid for an R38. So this house will be all the way, the floor, the walls, and the lid will all have open cell foam in them. My son, Dennis Chester, Allstate spray foam installation. Thank you very much.